For your final module of week 3, you will be writing an SCR arguing if Emperor Qin was a hero or a villain. Before you do that, double check that you have completed your do now and your collaboration question. Before you write your SCR, you are going to copy and paste yesterday's outline into this lesson because that will allow you to see the work you've already done and apply that to your SCR outline. This is a really important skill because in college, oftentimes you'll have many different tabs with different information, and it's important to understand how to get it all into one place. So step number 1 is to go back to the classwork section of your Google Classroom. So however you get there, for me, I just type in my example social studies class. Now I am in, and I can see that I am in the classwork section of my Google Classroom. Now the second step is to click and open the 422 lesson. So I'm going to go down to my daily lessons. I'm going to click and select 422's lesson. For step number 3, I'm going to right click slide 18. And this is important because you're going to need to do step 3 and 4 at the same time. So I'm going to first right click slide 18, then I'm going to click copy on the copy area. So if I click on 422, I'm going to go to slide 18. I can see my beautiful, and yours will look so much better than this because it's going to be filled out, outline. I'm going to right click and click copy. Now I've copied yesterday's outline and I just need to paste it. The final step is I'm going to paste it right after this slide. So I'm going to scroll down a little. I'm going to click on this area here. I'm going to right click again, click paste. And now I have my work completed. You can click do not link. I have my work from yesterday right here that I can keep going back to for my SCR. This next part is just checking, did you copy and paste? I can say, yes, I definitely did. So I'm going to go to this next slide right here. In your SCR outline, you're going to see that you've already done a lot of this work in this outline. You can see you've already answered the question, you've introduced your source, you've cited evidence, you've explained evidence, you already know your thesis, so you know you can restate that. There's 3 things you have not done yet. The first is you have not given background on your topic. You haven't written your intro, you haven't given the reader some context before you actually start arguing. So to do that, you're just going to answer these questions here. The second thing you haven't done is you haven't given reasons for why you think Emperor Qin is a hero or a villain. So consider to yourself, what did he do? How did he ask? You could argue, I think Emperor Qin is a hero because he made life better for the people of China. What are the 2 reasons that support your claim? The last part is connecting the documents. This is where you think, okay, I used 2 different sources. I used 2 different documents. How are they similar? What do they have in common? Answer this question, and then you will be ready to write your SCR. The next step just asks, have you outlined your SCR? Yes, you have. So now I know I'm going to go to 424 SCR in Google Classroom. So I need to go back to my Google Classroom. I'm going to click. I'm going to scroll down. Look, 424. And I am going to write my SCR starting here. Remember, just like last week, you have sentence starters here, prompt here, historical context here. If you are struggling at all, rewatch the videos, then reach out to your teacher for help.